Welcome to WalletNow.net. I'm Willie, and I will help you get started with our Custom Vaults feature. With Custom Vaults, you can track all your crypto investments, even on farms which are not natively supported yet. Let's get started. Imagine you want to invest on this farm here, but it is unfortunately not supported by WalletNow yet. So, what do? With WalletNow, that is not a big problem. You can still track it, if you know how to retrieve some details about the farm. Let's do that now. You can see here on my account that I have already added liquidity on PancakeSwap, so I already have the LP tokens on my wallet. Now I can just go to this farm's website and invest normally, as I would do with any supported protocol. Now that I have deposited my tokens in the farm, I need to find my deposit transaction. To do that, I will open my MetaMask here and click on the Activity tab. Here you can see the deposit transaction. Now, just click on it to open the details. You can now click on this small arrow button here to open it on the Blockchain Explorer. Once you open the transaction, click on this link to go to the smart contract where you deposited your tokens. The first information that you will need to register a custom vault is the contract address, so click on this button here to copy the contract address. You can now register this vault on WalletNow. For that, just open the settings menu and log in with your wallet, if you are not yet logged. Now that you are logged in, scroll down to the Custom Vaults section. Click on the Add button on the right and paste the contract address. Now, give a name for this vault. This is how it will appear on your list of investments, and you can name as you want. You can also add a link to the vault if you want, so let me copy the address of the farm here. When you add a link, you can easily navigate back to that vault later by just clicking on it. This completes the basic setup of the custom vault, and you will already be able to track some information from it if you save now. However, if you want to get all the fine-grained details from the vault, you can find here on the Blockchain Explorer 2 additional settings. For that, click on the Contract tab, and then on Read Contract. Here you will need to find the address of the reward token. This is the token that the vault gives you as a reward for your deposits. For this sample vault, we know that the reward token is called Rhino, so let's search here and see if we find anything interesting. Look, there is an API called Rhino, and it contains an address. That must be it. Now, copy the reward token address. We will paste that address in the custom vault settings. Another information you can find in the contract to help extracting the most data out of it is the amount of pending rewards that you have. This API typically starts with the word pending. Every farm will have a different name for it, but let's see if we find anything interesting here. Look. There is an API called Pending Rhino, so that must be it. Let's add that to the vault settings. It is very important that you type the name correctly, as this is case sensitive. For example, if I write the first letter as uppercase, it will not work correctly. Now we can save the new settings. When we do that, WalletNow will automatically reload your account information. After the reload, you will see that investment being tracked along with all others. You can expand the investment to see all the fine-grained details. You can also click on the LP token to see all the liquidity provider summary, and your impermanent loss. The investment details contains most of the information you would see in a natively supported protocol such as the deposited amount, pending rewards, gas fee spent, and much more. Also, since we configured a link for the vault, you can click on the investment name to be taken directly to the vault's website. I hope this feature will help you keep your portfolio under control. If you have any suggestions or feedback, please drop us a note on our Telegram group. We work hard every day to make your life easier, and that will never be possible without hearing to your feedback. Thanks for watching this video. See you at WalletNow.net.